Hey guys! Welcome back to News Motorbike. In an era where motorcycles are becoming increasingly refined, digitalized, and predictable, a small British manufacturer has decided to throw convention out the window. Meet the Veloce Aperion, a machine that feels less like a production motorcycle and more like a challenge to modern engineering itself. At the heart of this extraordinary café racer sits a 1,000 cubic centimeters X8 two-stroke engine, producing a claimed 280 horsepower at 12,000 revolutions per minute. Unlike anything currently available on the market, the engine uses 8 cylinders arranged in a unique X configuration, creating one of the most ambitious motorcycle power plants ever conceived. What makes the Aperion so fascinating is that it doesn't rely on electronic wizardry to create excitement. Instead, Veloce embraces the raw mechanical character that made two-stroke motorcycles legendary. Fuel is delivered through 4 pairs of Dell'Orto carburetors, lubrication comes from a traditional premix system, and the throttle operates through an incredibly complex 8-cable mechanism. It's the kind of engineering that feels wonderfully rebellious in today's ride-by-wire world. The performance figures are equally staggering. With 280 horsepower packed into a compact motorcycle platform, the Aperion enters Superbike territory while delivering the explosive personality only a large-capacity two-stroke can offer. Yet Veloce's ambition goes far beyond engine output alone. The motorcycle's chassis is built around the engine itself, using the power plant as a stressed structural member. A custom single-sided swing arm, pull rod rear suspension, and highly centralized mass contribute to a design focused on both stability and agility. Perhaps the most striking feature is the exhaust system. Packaging expansion chambers for 8 cylinders would normally be nearly impossible, but Veloce solved the problem using advanced metal 3D printing technology. The resulting network of resonance chambers wraps around the motorcycle like industrial artwork, turning a technical necessity into the bike's defining visual statement. Production will be limited to just 24 units, with deliveries planned for 2027. Reportedly priced around £78,000, the Aperion is clearly aimed at collectors and enthusiasts rather than mainstream buyers.